it's Justine, and today we are doing something really fun. Not only are we going to have an unboxing of the Simple Human Clean Station, which can clean your phone in 30 seconds and get rid of about 99.9% of germs, but we're also doing a 30-second challenge of some suggestions of things you'd like to see me complete while my phone is being cleaned in 30 seconds. A huge thank you to Simple Human for sponsoring this video. This is gonna be incredible because I'm so obsessive about germs and cleaning, so the fact that this is something that I can basically just put my phone into, it will automatically raise and lower your phone, so it's kind of a touch-free experience, which is really cool because inside of it, it has 30 UVC LEDs to kill 99.9% of germs across the entire phone. Let's unbox it and get cleaning. It kind of looks like a little toaster for your phone. I love this. I'm a huge fan of Simple Human. You guys may have seen the trash cans that I have around the house. I even have one that's voice activated that I say open can, and you know what it does? It opens the can! Oh, it actually looks like a mini version of the trash can. This is so cute. Wow! It really looks like a little toaster. It's super cute. All right, here we go. The suspense. It's killing me. This is the coolest thing ever.
Can I do mine?
Yeah, you put it in there. So Tyler has an iPhone 12. Like, this is so, it's like I know you guys love space travel and you know, things like that, but this is the future. Oh, you wanna live on Mars? I'll be here cleaning my phone in 30 seconds to get rid of 99.9% of the germs. I'll clean my friend's phones.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you guys challenged me on some things that you'd like to see me try to complete in 30 seconds while my phone is cleaning. So let's take a look at what some of those are and hope that I'll be able to complete them. The first one is from Mark, and he wants me to neatly fold a fitted sheet. That might be like my biggest nightmare. I like that he said neatly. Oh, I honestly think that my talent is unmatched. This one says chainsaw. I don't know what that means, but we all know I love my chainsaw. I'll chainsaw something for 30 seconds. Am I done yet? I think this whole tree is dead, to be honest with you. Are you okay? Rubik's Cube. Oh, I can only solve in under 3 minutes, so I don't know about 30 seconds. Oh yeah, I got this. 30 seconds. Whoa, sign me up for whatever Rubik's Cube tournament's coming up next. Oh, a fitness challenge. Do as many barbell squats or BW pull-up. I don't know what BW means. And I can't do pull-ups because I don't have a pull-up bar. So I'll just do some squats. Do not let me go a second over 30 seconds. Here we go. Are we done yet? Is my phone clean? Oh, Justine, why are there no weights on your barbell? Don't judge me! I wasn't counting. Makeup? A 30-second makeup challenge? Accepted! Set a timer for 30 seconds. 30 seconds, counting down. Such beauty. Is this? No, come on, I didn't even get my lipstick on. Find an air tag within 30 seconds. Huh, okay. All right, Tyler, 30 seconds, ready, let's roll. How did you get in here? Really? Who put my keys in the tomatoes? Who? Change an Apple Watch band. Did I make it? Put together your perfect cheeseburger and artfully photograph it. Get out of here! Artfully photograph. Flip water bottle challenge. I don't know how to do that. Oh, that's hard. Why would someone suggest this?
Close.
It's close. I hate this. Oh my God. I'm so talented.
It was under 30 seconds.
It was. I win.
You're done with that one.
We're done. That was our last suggestion. So guess what? I win everything. What do I win? I win a clean phone. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is such a cool new product and I'm very, very excited about this. I just love how sleek and small it is and the fact that it's automatic. I can just drop my phone in and then take it out when it's done. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to get more information or to purchase one of these. And again, a huge thank you to Simple Human for sponsoring this video. I'm such a huge fan of all of their products. So the fact that they are here supporting my channel with this incredible new product, I am so excited about. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. At this point, I've cleaned it so many times, it's gonna be extra clean.